You mentioned sort of we can't, every presentation I deliver and listen to, packaging one, it's all about regulation, what's coming down the line, and what
Yeah.
we're dealing with now. So how do current public policies and regulatory frameworks support or hinder the adoption of bio-based materials, and what changes would help accelerate their use globally?
Okay. Yeah. That's
Quite
thanks for
quiet.
that question. Really good. Yeah. No, but actually, I would say that I can't think of regulation hindering the use of our plastic because it's a drop-in and it's recyclable. The compostable plastics sometimes can have some challenges, although they also have, in some countries, exemptions from these legislations that don't allow single-use plastic. Sometimes there are countries that allow biodegradable plastic to still be in the market. It's not the case of Europe, where it doesn't matter what type of plastic. The single-use plastic directive doesn't allow the use of plastic for 10 different types of articles. In terms of what would foster growth of bio-based plastics is really what I mentioned about mandates. Similar to biofuels, where you have a minimum quantity you need to blend, it is possible to do the same for plastics. We're not the only solution out there. There are what we call bioattributed plastics, where you have, using the mass balance and attribution concept, you can replace the feedstock in the beginning of the value chain, and through mass balance guarantee that you did avoid the use of fossil feedstock. So there is enough to reach, let's say, 5 to 10%. Today, bio-based plastics are 1% of all plastics globally. So we're not advocating to reach huge numbers in 5 years. We're talking about reaching 5 to 10% would already be a huge uh, evolution, as we see bio-based as an complement to recycling.
Yeah.
So we need both.